We have the Colourpop Small Festival palette. Now, these are all available individually, but I bought the palette set, which came with this gorgeous palette, all the glitters, and all the neon shadows. I absolutely adore this. I love Colourpop's palettes. I want the other small one as well. These glitters are just beautiful, and I can't wait for Colourpop to come out with more. We have the Good Sport palette, which is one of my favorite palettes ever. That green shade is my life. Colourpop has such amazing quality products, and for such an affordable price. Next, we have the Sweet Talk palette. This is like their current best-selling palette. I have mixed views on this. I do like this palette, but it's not my favorite. I think that this is a palette that you have to work with, but it is very pretty, and overall the shadows are good. Next, we have the Misunderstood palette. It just looks like this. I do wish that there was a mirror, and I do wish that there were more mattes. There are only 1, 2, 3, 4. There are only 5 mattes, which is kind of lame, but I mean, it's Disney Villains, of course I'm going to get it. It is so beautiful. Next, we have my Colourpop Single Shadow palette collection. I just have them in a big Juvia's Place empty palette. This is my Build Your Own palette, Colourpop palette. Of course, we have all the purples, all the brights, minus the brights from the other palette. I love Colourpop shadows, so I needed this big, large, empty, magnetic shadow holder. I have some Colourpop palettes. I have the rest of them. I have It's My Pleasure. It just looks like that. I have Ooh La La. Tickled is one of my favorite Colourpop shadows ever. So is Sambar and Opulent. And then finally for Colourpop, I have Just My Luck, which just looks like that. It's such a gorgeous green palette. The Shadow Mary Jane is my favorite. Lastly, we have this Tarte Magnetic palette, which holds some of my other shadows. It's really cool, actually. It's one of those type of mermaid palettes. It comes with a mirror, which is great. And when you open up, these are just my extra single shadows.